Hi, and welcome to the first week of Marine Science. I'm your teacher, Meredith Michael. This is my second year teaching for the Online School for Girls. I taught this same class last year and had an absolute blast. I think you're really going to enjoy this course. We are starting off the week by doing some icebreakers and sort of getting you familiarized with the process of taking an online course. For some of you, this might be your first time, or maybe you've taken online courses before. So there'll be some things that you recognize for sure if you have, and then some things that might be a little different that's just specific to me as a teacher. So this week is going to be a shorter week, obviously, because we're starting kind of midway through the week, and you'll have an opportunity to get a sense of what marine science is exactly, get a sense of why we're studying the concepts and the major themes that we're going to be doing in this class. And so it's just kind of a good little short week to get started and to get a good sense of things. So make sure that you watch the tutorial on how to use our website and how to navigate through our different pages each week. And we will have an icebreaker. We will have a couple of short assignments this week, nothing really heavy. So I'm really excited to have you guys in the class. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. Just to give you a little kind of an overview of how the class is structured. This fall, we will be focusing mostly on the earth science aspects of oceanography and marine science. So starting off the first couple weeks is going to be kind of a review. You might see some very familiar things. You might see a lot of geology and a little bit of physical science, and these things could be really familiar to you, or maybe you have not seen them since you were in like fifth grade. So don't be afraid to ask questions. By all means, reach out and contact me if you have any concerns or need anything clarified. So we will be continuing that through the fall semester. We will have a big unit in the end of the semester that focuses primarily on climate change. So leading up to that, you'll be learning about ocean currents, about how the air and the ocean interact, and then we'll finish off with this big unit on climate change. Then the entire spring semester is dedicated to living things in the ocean. That tends to be the part of oceanography and marine science that people like the most, but it is important to note that understanding the physical science aspects are really important as well, and that's going to be important to your understanding of some of the biological concepts in the spring. So I hope you really enjoy the class. I think you will. It's a topic that I'm very passionate about. I've studied marine science pretty much my whole life. And I think we're going to really kind of breach into some interesting topics that also have to do with science and society. So welcome to the class. I'm really glad that you're here. And on the side of this page, you'll see my contact information. You will be setting up a meeting with me pretty soon in the first couple of weeks. So make sure that you do that and just let me know if you have any questions at all. Welcome to the class.